Want to unlock global communication? I think your location might hold you back. Today, we're breaking down barriers and showing you how to create a Plivo account from anywhere in the world, step by step. First, head over to Plivo's website, plivo.com, and click on the prominently displayed Sign Up button usually located at the top right corner of the page. Now, fill in the registration form with your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Double-check that email. It's crucial for verification. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. If your country isn't listed, don't worry. We'll address workarounds shortly. Enter your phone number. Keep in mind that some countries might have restrictions on using local phone numbers for verification. If you encounter this, consider using a virtual phone number service for SMS verification. There are many reliable options online. Create a strong and secure password. I recommend using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Before proceeding, carefully read through Plivo's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you understand and agree to them, tick the corresponding checkboxes. Finally, click the Create Account button. Plivo will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox, including your spam or junk folder, for the verification email from Plivo. Click on the verification link within the email to activate your account. And that's it. You've successfully created your Plivo account, ready to start building global communication solutions, no matter where you are.